Welcome to my channel. Remanufactured engines Las Vegas. What you need to know before you buy. Step 1. Confirm it is actually remanufactured, not used, not refurbished. Remanufactured means torn down, machined, and rebuilt with brand new internal parts. If the seller can't explain what was replaced, walk away. Step 2. Match the engine code exactly. Vegas have tons of engines coming from auctions and junkyards. The wrong engine code equals sensors won't talk, mounts won't line up. Always check VIN compatibility and engine stamp. Step 3. Ask for the rebuild sheet. Real reman engines come with paperwork. Pistons, bearings, and timing components gets replaced. A legit shop doesn't hide that info. Step 4. Check the shop's reputation locally. Look up reviews. Ask other mechanics. Vegas have a few great rebuilders and a few places. Step 5. Look for warranty that actually means something. A good warranty is at least up to 90 days. Make sure labor is included if a replacement is needed. A weak warranty usually means weak work. Step 6. Confirm installation by a trusted mechanic. A great engine is useless if installed badly. Ask the rebuilder if they have partnered installers in Las Vegas to save headaches. Step 7. Check cooling system health. This desert heat cooks engines alive. Radiator, hoses, thermostat, fans. If those aren't right, even a fresh reman will blow. Always add this to the job quote. Step 8. Get price breakdown before saying yes. Engine cost, freight, core charge, labor, fluids, and everything else. No last-minute add-ons. Step 9. Ask about core return rules. Almost every reman deal requires the old engine back. Some give money back. Some charge extra until it's returned. Know the rules so nothing gets kept later. Step 10. Break-in tips to keep the warranty safe. No hard revving, oil change early, and let the engine settle in. A small effort in the first 500 to 1,000 miles makes it last way longer. Remanufactured engines are a solid move in Las Vegas, stronger than used, cheaper than brand new. Thanks for watching.